Nothing can work in Nigeria. Nothing can work in Nigeria. Whether you vote for Jesus, nothing you can do in Nigeria. Nothing can work in Nigeria. Nigeria have spoiled. Because of what? Because of different religion, different language, different behaviors, different belief. It can work. The Tower of Babel in the Bible, the time that have the same language, they have power to build the tower up. Immediately God destroyed their language, scattered their language. They cannot build the Babel again. Definitely, any nation that they don't speak the same language, the same belief, the same faith, there must be problems.